Bearings utilized on electrical apparatus can easily be damaged due to eddying currents or insulation breakdown within the apparatus itself. Typical of electric current damage is this corrugated effect on the raceway, caused by arcing or spark erosion, as a current jumps between rolling elements and the raceway. Prevention of this damage is effected by having the apparatus fully tested and repaired electrically before installing new bearings and seals. After the pause, we shall discuss defective material.